Finally, cold, fresh air. Yes, my portable air conditioner fan is here. I'm in California, and you know, we always have fire and drought and no rain. So, yep, this hopefully will help me to save money. You can maybe hear in the background my AC running, and that costs a lot of money. So, hopefully, with this guy, I will be able to get fresh without spending too much. Anyway, that's how it arrived. Let's see now what's in the box, what's included with this portable air conditioner. It's right now. All right, time to open this baby. So first of all, on the top we do have what appear to be the user manual. Then probably this is the troubleshooting manual, I guess, and maybe a quick start guide with the illustration, so that's good. I like when they do that. Easier to understand, so that's good. And now from here, oh, and that's the unit itself. I actually like blue. Blue is my favorite color, and look at that. It's blue. Excellent. All right, removing the box there. And now removing the unit from the plastic. It has a handle, so that's very useful for doing exactly what I'm doing right now. And pop, ta-da! Here it is. It looks actually nice and much better than what I was expecting from the picture, so which is good. And yes, you can guess I like blue, so that's perfect for me. On the top there is some display screen here, and here we do have off-on button and a time sleep button, a cool button, and then a light button, because apparently you can change the light color in the bottom of this fan while it's working. It's a nice feature, but you know, the main feature is to have fresh air, cool fresh air. Okay, that's all for the fan. Let's see what else in the box. That's it for the box. That's a little bit weird because they say it should be a remote control included, but I don't see it in the box. So maybe sometimes they do that. Maybe it's inside here, the unit itself. So I'm going to open here. And yes, here we go. Actually, inside the unit itself, we do have some accessory and the remote control. So it's right there. And then we have some filter here with the USB to USB-C. That's good. This unit is USB-C, so that's good. I like that. Using the modern technology instead of the old micro USB, so USB-C, that's good. And some extra sponge filter, as I can see, some soft filter here. Give you some spare part, and that's the tank itself, the reservoir to fill up. So before to do that, I'm going to check the user manual and see how to set up this unit. Anyway, let's see now how this unit performs. I'm going to fill it up with the water, follow the instruction, and then see how cool this fan could be. All right, let's go. All right, so that's the unit right there, ready to go. To open it, it's very easy. There is a clip here on the side. You press it, and then the unit will open on the side here. Don't forget, of course, to remove everything from the inside, like so. All the accessory included and such. Of course, since the unit is new, I advise you to just do a quick air blasting in the tank, so you remove all the dust and stuff that come from factory. Once that's done, you can close the unit, and it's time to recharge it. Before the first use, always fully recharge this portable air conditioner. So USB-C cable, I have one laying around already. I don't need to use theirs. Up, here we go, it's plugged. And now on the top, we have the charging signal here that tells you that the unit is charging. Now, once the unit is fully charged, I'm going to check the remote. So don't forget the remote control. I have a tab here, a plastic tab. Don't forget to remove it to activate the battery. Otherwise it's not going to work, and you're going to wonder why your remote is not working. Here we go. The tab is removed. So here we go now. From the bag, I removed the two bits that go for the mist system. So they have some spring inside. I don't know if you can see them, Each of them have a spring, so it's important to see that the spring is functioning correctly. There we go. Before to install those, and that those sponges are clean. Otherwise the mist is not going to work properly. They do give you extra sponges, like 6 extra sponges, so it's good for a while. And also 1 extra spring in case if you lose it. Yeah, here we go, we have an extra spring, so that's good. All right, unit is fully charged. Now I'm going to install those mist sponges. So they go right here. So right here there is like some dents. I don't know if you can see on the video, try to focus. There is like 2 small dents on the side of this plastic tube. They go into those exact same slot here. So you just put that here, you align them, and then you push inside the device, and then you counterclockwise lock it. So clack, counterclockwise, a quarter turn, not even, and then the plastic tube is locked. Same for the second one. I'm going to align here and counterclockwise, quarter turn, and that's it. My sponge system are installed. Here you can see them, and I'm going to be diving in the water, and that's what's going to suck the water for the mist system. All right, now just have to fill up the tank with the water. When filling up the tank, don't forget here in the back there is some marking all the way to the max. Don't go over the max, otherwise the device may not work correctly. So up from 0 to max, put your level of water to maximum, and that should do it. All right, here's my water, and I'm going to gently pour it into the tank up to the maximum level. There we go. Just one big glass, and reach the maximum level. If you want also to have your water as fresh as possible, they recommend to put some ice cube in the water, so that works as well. Now, closing the device. So, to turn on the unit, press and hold the off on button for a few seconds. Here we go, the unit is not on. It starts to blow some air already. It's just normal fan on. So that gives you the speed here. So it's speed 1. If I want to go more speed, I click again on the on-off button. Now speed 2, click again, and maximum speed, speed 3. So here we go, and click again, come back to speed 1. Here there is a little level that allows you to adjust. There is some fin inside. Here, I don't know if you can see them moving, there is like some fin that allow you to direct the flow of the air up or down, if you want, or straight. That's good. Now if I press the cool button, that's going to engage the mist system and then use the water in the tank. Let's try it. So it takes a few seconds to suck the water through the sponges to the motor. And here also we have a different setting of cooling. For example, once these 2 snowflake means the 2 mist system are enabled, or you can choose the one on the left only and the one on the right only. And of course off, cool off for just the fan. I don't know if you can see it, but there is like some mist coming from this area right here. So I see some little mist coming into the air that the fan expels toward me. So that's pretty cool, and it's quite fresh too. All right, another function here, which is called the time sleep. So if you press this button, you will see 2 hours on the screen here. That means the device will stop after 2 hours. If you press again, it's 4 hours now. So it has 2 sleep mode, 2 hours and 4 hours, and then one more pressing will shut it off. But now coming to the remote control, you have pretty much the same functionality on the remote than you have here on this panel, except one extra functionality that I like is the sleep mode here. The sleep button will simply turn off the LCD screen display here. So if you want to use that fan at night and you don't like the big bright light on the top, here we go, you can use the sleep mode here on and off using your remote control. This button is not on the front right there, so you need the remote control for that. All right, here it is all installed on my desk. this portable AC. Very happy with it. So thanks again for watching. Hope this video have been useful for you. Now you have an idea of what to expect when you order the same AC, portable AC. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.